Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, looking at pictures of breathtaking beaches, vibrant cities, stunning landscapes, and thinking, I wish that could be my life? What if I told you that it could be, and for a lot less money than you imagine? Welcome to Global Glimpse, your passport to the world's most inspiring destinations. We're here to smash the myth that travel and living abroad are expensive luxuries. Today, we're exploring 10 amazing countries where you can live comfortably on just $1,000 a month. This is your blueprint to escaping the rat race and starting a new, exciting chapter. Let's kick things off with an absolute powerhouse in affordable living, Vietnam. This is a country that truly has it all. For $1,000 a month, you're not just surviving. You are living exceptionally well. A modern, furnished one-bedroom apartment right by the beach can be found for $300 to $400. But it's not just about low costs. It's about the quality of life. Imagine waking up, grabbing Vietnamese iced coffee for less than $1, then deciding whether to work from a beachside cafe or your own balcony. Next up, Thailand, an icon of budget travel and expat living. Known as the Land of Smiles, this country offers stunning natural beauty and a lifestyle that feels luxurious but surprisingly affordable. In Chiang Mai, you can get a modern studio with pool and gym for $300 to $450 a month. Thai street food is legendary. Eating out for every meal costs just $200 to $300 monthly. Your weekends can be spent exploring ancient temples, island hopping to Phuket, or finding spiritual retreat through meditation. Thailand offers paradise on a $1,000 budget. For those wanting to stay closer to North America, let's talk Mexico. Not just Cancun. Rich, vibrant culture and low cost of living with something for everyone. In cities like Mérida or Puerto Vallarta, rentals run $400 to $700 monthly. Skip expensive restaurants for street-side taquerias and local markets. Eat for $5 to $10 a day. Mexico's variety is unmatched. Exploring ancient pyramids, crystal-clear cenotes, learning to surf, or immersing in the art scenes of Oaxaca and San Miguel de Allende. If you've been dreaming of European lifestyle, cobblestone streets, rich history, cafe culture, Portugal offers all this at surprisingly affordable costs while maintaining European standards. Outside city centers, one-bedroom apartments run $600 to $750. A bica costs €1. Prato do dia lunch costs €8 to €10. Fantastic local wine, just €3 to €4. Colombia has emerged as one of South America's most exciting destinations. With perfect eternal spring climate in Medellin, vibrant culture, and incredible transformation story. In neighborhoods like El Poblado or Laureles, modern furnished apartments cost $450 to $650 monthly. A full menu del dia with soup, main, drink, and dessert costs just $3 to $4. Weekend adventures include Cocora Valley's towering palm trees, Caribbean beaches in Tayrona, or coffee plantation tours. Colombia surprises with its beauty, warmth, and wallet-friendly prices. When you think ultimate digital nomad paradise, one name comes to mind: Bali, Indonesia. This island offers spiritual culture, stunning natural beauty, and surprisingly affordable luxury lifestyle. In Canggu or Ubud, rent a room in beautiful shared villa with pool for $300, or a private one-bedroom villa for $500 to $700. These aren't basic apartments. These are tropical dream homes. The Philippines offers affordable tropical lifestyle where English is widely spoken. 7,000 islands of spectacular beaches and dive sites. Georgia, tucked at Europe-Asia crossroads, offers ancient culture, legendary hospitality, and shockingly low costs with liberal visa policies. Cambodia provides one of the lowest costs on our list, rich history, and easy transition thanks to US dollar usage for transactions. In these destinations, modern apartments cost $250 to $600 monthly, meals $2 to $4, with English-speaking communities and incredible natural wonders nearby. Our final destination takes us to Bulgaria, the most affordable country in the entire European Union, offering 4-season climate, stunning mountains, Black Sea coast, and rich Slavic culture. Nice one-bedroom apartments cost $350 to $500 monthly. Traditional Mehana meals cost $5 to $8, local beer just over $1, with excellent internet for remote workers. 10 incredible countries where your dream life abroad is surprisingly affordable on $1,000 monthly. From tropical beaches of Southeast Asia to historic charm of Eastern Europe, the options are diverse and exciting. We've shown you the lifestyle and crunched the numbers. You don't need to be rich to live a rich life. The biggest obstacle isn't money, it's courage to pursue a different dream. Which country caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Global Glimpse for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.